Hi there, today I will show you how you can disconnect your Instagram with your Facebook account or your with Facebook page. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram app. Just go to your profile section, click at the three dots above, go to the settings and privacy. Hit enter to the privacy, go to your account center, then click on accounts, the first tab. Click on accounts, and then here you can see your both accounts that are linked together. You just have to press the remove button, and then this will pop up, remove your account will be lost connected to. Hit the first option and then click continue, and then remove, and then finally your account will be removed from your Instagram and you can re-add anytime in future.